Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
This way! Come on!
Be a soldier! Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hut for all your government surplus needs!
Oh, honey, surplus!
We have
Tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're interested, you call me, you know where I am.
Around Willie's Butte and come back. There will be no bumping, no cheating, no spitting, no...
What's that? There we go. Somebody's interrupting genius.
Hello, Faith! Drop and give me 20 miles! Go, 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 go! Go!
Man!
Seems like those dark skies are following.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
But I changed the direction of my life when I started Ms. Fritter's Racing!
That's the Jolly Ranchers Wall of Fame.
Every flyer, every mission.
Yes, of course you can have your old job back. Don't even have to bother asking. That's just the kind of guy I am.
Bottom.
So, Mater, it's voice activated. But, you know, everything's voice activated these days.
Order in the court.
Seems like my mind has been changed.
Oh, black bitty, bam lamb. Oh, black bitty, bam lamb. Oh, black bitty, bam.
Not my town, don't.
Don't worry, Mama. My queen is very sad. I will.
Don't have to if I don't want to. Why should I?
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente. Y fuera.
You out there, thank you.
Hey, Rook, first one to California gets Dynaco all to himself.
Ah, no, no.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Hey, Doc! Come look at this fellow on the radio. He looks just like you.
Yes, that's me, Chester Whipplefilter.
And I'm Francis Beltline.
Easy way.
Let's do this.
Yeah!
Oh, my.
Francesco lost a lot of momentum in the dirt.
You got more talent in one lug nut than a lot of cars has got in their whole body.
Really? Oh, that...
Bet you're...
So he's not so good looking.
Yeah, nice try.
I'm serious.
That's why I... before.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're
That is the worst motor ever made. Wait, that oil filter, those wheels...